Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to run Facebook ads for SMMA clients. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Facebook advertising has become an essential component of digital marketing strategies, allowing businesses to reach their target audience effectively. As an SMMA professional, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of how to run a successful Facebook ad campaign for your client. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process from setting up your business account and creating compelling ad campaigns to target the right audience. So whether you're new to Facebook advertising or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to deliver impactful results for your SMMA clients. So, let's get started. Now we're here right now. I'm currently on Meta, which is the business.facebook.com, where we will be managing our Facebook ads. As you can see, what we're going to do first is we're going to set up our ad account. As you can see right now, I am currently in my business setting, and what we're first going to do is we're going to create an ad account. If your client already has an ad account, you can simply click on an ad account over here instead of creating a new one. For us right now, we're just going to create a new one. Our ad account name for now will be just the same name as our page, just like that. And you can set up your time zones over here and the currency in this section. Now we're going to do is we're going to click on next, and we're going to click on this is my business, click on create, and we will be able to create an ad account for us to use. And just like that. And now we can have access for our managing campaigns, view performance, and all of those other controls. Click on that. And then we could assign names or persons over here. You could add the people or your client in this section, or your different partners or your colleagues as well over here. If you are going to work on the same ad, you could add them over here. Then click on assign. Then click on close. Now, if you don't have the option to add other people, you can go back here to people and you could add them over here by searching their name or email in this section. And you could also do the same thing for your partners over here. But right now, as you can see, we have our ad account. Now, after adding your ad account, we can now go to Ads Manager over here. In the Ads Manager, this is where you will be able to manage all your different ads that you will be creating for your client or in Facebook. As you can see here, our current ad manager is our Facebook account, so we can change this to a different one. So we're going to refresh this for the meantime because we haven't added it right away. So we're going to see if our newly created ad account will be added over here. And we could see more ad account by clicking this. And as you can see, we have our newly created ad account over here. And now we're going to switch to that ad account. Now we have our ad account for our business, for our client, assuming this is an ad account of our client. And over here, this is where you can manage your campaigns, your ad sets, and ads over here. You will be able to see the delivery, the name, the bid strategy, budget, and all of those different information that you are seeing right now. You could also see different information like ad promotion, traffic, sales, setup, delivery, and all of those information. You could also see a breakdown for time, delivery, and actions over here, create reports in this section over here. We will be able to create an ad by clicking on create over here, or you could go to your ads over here on the homepage of Meta Business Suite. You could simply click on ads over here and you could create ads directly in this section. But for now, we're going to do this in this section. We're going to click on create, and we will see this pop up over here. As you can see, there are a lot of requirements before you can actually finish creating your ad. But for now, we will ignore this and do it later on. Over here, you're going to have to choose your campaign objective. If you're new to creating an ad, you're first going to go with leads. This is good for instant form, messenger, conversation, and calls over here. We're going to click on continue. And now over here, we are creating our campaign. We're going to put in our campaign name. For now, we're going to go with testing because this is just a test on how we could create an ad. Over here, you're going to choose a category for your ad. You could choose credit, employment, housing, social issues. You could choose any of this option. For us, we could go with employment, just like that. And we choose our country over here and the buying type over here. We could edit this to auction. Right now, auction is the only available. This is our objective right now, leads. We could edit this to anything else if you ever change your mind. You could also create an A/B testing over here by enabling this, meaning it will create two different ads for you to send out, and it will tell you which ad is more effective. This is more on for data gathering so that you will be able to know what type of ad works the best. So we're going to disable that for now. You can also enable advanced campaign budget over here if you would like to have this enabled. Advanced campaign budget will distribute your budget across ad set to get more results depending on your performance, goal, choices, and bid strategy. Going to disable that for now. You can also review this. By clicking this, you will be able to see your ID, your special ad category, special ad category country, buying type, objective, and ad set over here. We could add our ad set by clicking on edit over here. And you can see that we have that. And now we could click on next over here so that we will be able to proceed. Now in this section, we will be able to add our ad set name. For this one, we will add it testing ad set, just like that. And over here, we can choose our conversation and our conversion. We're going to choose from website, instant form, messenger, instant form, and messenger, call, or app over here. You could go with website if you have a website. You could choose instant form if you have an instant form over here. And as you change through the different options over here, the right side will also have some changes, as you can see here. And you could also set up a performance goal in this section. You could have maximum number of conversion. You could choose from other goals over here, maximum number of landing page views, maximum number of link clicks, and maximum daily unique reach, and maximum number of impression. You could choose any of this option. For example, we could go with this one, and it will change accordingly. As you can see here, our audience selection is fairly broad. Now we could do more. We could do cost per result goal over here. This is optional if you would like to have a result goal. You could have more options by clicking this. When will you get charged? When you get charged, it will be through impression, and the delivery type will be standard. You could enable dynamic creative by turning this on and off. You could have creative elements such as images, headlines, and it will automatically generate combinations optimized for your audience. You can set up your daily budget over here, the starting date of your ad, and also set up an end date for your ad, as you can see here. Currently, this is our budget over here. You can change this to lifetime budget. It will be much more expensive if it's a lifetime budget. You could also remain with a daily budget instead, which is $20, or you could edit this to however you would like. You could also choose your audience over here. As you can see, you could create a new audience. Right now, we are creating a new audience because we don't have a pre-existing audience yet. You could choose from Philippines. You could change this to different location. You could also include something else, some different locations over here. You could choose it over here. If you would like to include other countries aside from the Philippines, you could also click this. You could choose from people living in or recent in this location, people living in this location, or people recent in this location, or traveling in this location. You could also have an age limit over here, like from 18 to 65. You can change this to 21 to 65, or even make this even lower, maybe 21 to 30 if you are trying to target a younger audience. You could choose your gender over here, male and female. You could also add demographics in this section. You could enable this by clicking on edit, and you could choose from demographics in this section over here. You could search them, or you could browse them also. You could also edit your placements over here. You could choose anything you would like between advantage placement and manual placement over here. As you can see here on the right side, we have our audience definition. It is still fairly broad. Your estimated daily result will be 24K to 68K, and link clicks will be 715 to 2.1K over here. After that, you can click on next. And in this section, you can simply edit your ad leads name over here. You can create a template. You could see your ad preview over here. You could add a media. Right now, we don't have any. Just simply click on add media over here. You could create a video or add image over here. And over here, as you can see, we have our media upload over here. You can simply upload your media in this section. For example, this one, we're going to use this sample image that we have randomly. We're going to click on next. And you could choose from in-stream ads for videos or stories and reels or right column search results over here. You could choose any of this option. You could choose the different sizing over here depending on what you would like. And you could click on next. You could also crop and replace them if you would like. As you can see here, they have advantage creatives. You could do all of this option. For now, we're going to click on done. Now what you're going to do is you're going to choose the Facebook page, choose the Instagram account, edit your ad setup over here, do all of this information like add a primary text, headline, description, optimize text per person. You could enable this. You could enable your destination like website or a website and shop over here. Edit your language, all of those information, and you can simply click on publish and you will be able to publish your ads. This is also the preview of your ads in Facebook. And that's it, guys. That is how you could make an ad and run it for a client. You can simply publish it over here and you will be able to manage them in your ads manager section. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.